Всем привет! Today I want to read you a quote in Russian I wrote today. Добрые поступки делают мир лучше. Добрый kind. Поступки means actions or deeds делают make me the world лучше better. Let's repeat. Добрые поступки делают мир лучше. Kind actions make the world a better place. This phrase means, I think you understand, but it means that when people help others, when we help each other, when we are kind, when we do good things, life becomes better for everyone. What do you think? Do you like how it sounds in Russian? Try to write it down if you liked this quote. Thank you. Всем спасибо. Пока-пока.